walk around the compound. I wanna see some cats with some pizza. Cassie squeaks are the best around. I think it's time to walk around the compound.
Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? What do you know? What do you know? It's one of those things. I know I've talked about it before. That is one of those things where I'll ask people. Because I like that as that's more of just like a greetings and salutations kind of thing. I don't know if it's a region. I think it's kind of regional. Because I feel like other people, like kind of where I'm from, might say that. Or it might just be kind of me and just people in my family. I don't know. But like, hey, what do you know? Because and then sometimes people are like, oh, like not much. I got this thing going on, that thing, whatever, kind of. And then other people, they just get confused. Like, what do I know? I don't. What do you mean? What do I know? I don't know how I'm supposed to answer this question. We just met after a long period of not seeing each other for a while, and now you're asking what sort of knowledge I have. What sort of interrogation is this? What's happening? And it's like, geez, it doesn't have to be like that complicated or that important of a thing. It's just, like, it can be answered however you want. Like, hey, how you doing? What's new? What do you know? For some reason, and I've had this happen a few different times. For some reason, it the question really trips some people up, and it kind of freaks them out. I'm like, it's so strange to me. I don't understand. Anyway, this isn't the What Do You Know cast. This is the Walk Around the Compound webcast, where we walk around the compound, a compound that is inhabited by big kitties, such as this one, Noel. Look at the wrinkles on her forehead. She is a middle-aged kitty cat. She's got to moisturize. Oh, goodness. Oh. Okay, even through there's 1 and 2 and then 3. There's 3 layers of fence. You can see the Dorbs was still able to make its way through 3 layers of fencing. That's an impressive feat. That is an impressive thing. Selena, how do you do it? What are your secrets? Good girl. Oh yes, the cows. The cows are out tonight. Oh, I don't have. Okay, I can pull it like that. But if I go like there, it's like the resolution changes a little bit. But if I go here, wider field of vision, but it's weird, I actually lose. I lose a little bit of, I don't know, like some of the color palette, some of the resolution. Hi! How are you? How are you? What do you know? What? What do you know? I'm asking the tigers these questions. Been hearing. I think that there might be some drilling going on that direction. Some sort of construction-y kind of thing. it doesn't sound like gun shooting, even though it kind of could resemble that. Because, and you'll have distant kind of, maybe they're kind of blasting, doing some blasting in the ground or something like that. And you'll just hear those kind of off in the distance. And Poopy, oh, he does not like that. He does not like that. That gets him very upset. Like, if he's like sitting out in the yard, and even if like you'll hear distant gunshots, just and he is just like, nope, 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 nope. And he goes inside. He goes through the doggy door and he's like, do not want. Circle slash, no thank you. He does not like it. Bubs and Gibbs don't really care. They're fine with that. They're okay with that. Notice that your bucket was a little low. I was gonna be going around and watering. Oh jeez. But yeah. I suppose I should have the hand in the frame as well. Because if it's just like this, you know, yeah. And then, of course, I think, you know, I was talking about like certain things being taken out of context, like certain words. Well, one of that, oh my gosh, you'd be like, do you see what they do over at the Center for Edible Research? It's just, it's a disgusting set of affairs over there. What are they doing to those cats? No. Yeah, you got. Like, I'm not even paying attention. And then I look down at the screen and I'm like, that doesn't look good. That's not good. Hi, Milo. But, yeah, I was out, it was weird. I was out watering the cats this morning and I could hear, because I'm still hearing just kind of off in the distance. And, seeing the dogs, and they're fine. Like, Gibson and Bublas, they're fine. They're fine with that stuff. And then meanwhile, Poopy, and he gets so scared. But then Poopy, on the flip side, Poopy has no qualms. He has no problem. He'll follow Heidi anywhere in the compound. Anywhere. He does. It does not bother him. Like, Poopy has no problem being next to the, like, right next to the tractor. And I mean, like, hi, hello, hello. Because that's like a big, scary diesel engine. That's a big, scary diesel engine. So it's, and Poopy will just be right next to it. Just, but he'll just be just like, oh my gosh, we just fed earlier. And then, yeah, there's something there. There's some stuff there. Oh, hello, you big cat lovers out there. It's me, Derek, again. Welcome to another super duper fantastic episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Hi. Hello. How are you? She's fell asleep next to her meat. Cassie. Hi. Hello. Did you take your food to bed? Did you take your food into bed with you? Oh my gosh, you're kind of a mess. Yeah, yeah. New kind of thing. It's easier to kind of, you can like take the canvas off and kind of clean it up and she can pee through it and stuff like that. So just testing some difference. It's, you know, the same level of comfort because she's got that kind of, that hose hammock and she loves laying in that thing. So I'm trying it out. Not to mention, she's got a heater, which she lays in front of all the time. Isn't that right? Hi. Hi, Kel. Hi, Kel's Bells. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, pretty. Hey, pretty baby. She's a very good girl. She's a very good girl. She's a lot smarter and better behaved than those stinky boys. Than those stinky boy cats that she shares a room with. Poopa. Poopa Luca. Luca. Joe, I appreciate you kind of like having your engine's a little bit kind of lower than normal, but you're still just flying right over the compound while I'm casting. That's because it's like, okay, I start complaining and it's like, Joe, you're interrupting. And he's like, okay, well, I'll just stop pressing the gas pedal so much. So instead of just, it's going to be, and it's like, and he's thinking like, oh, that'll be better. That's acceptable. And it's like, no, it's still disruption. It's not, the whole thing is you got to divert around. You have to, look at all of the sky. Look at all of it. There's a lot that you can go. Maybe those are guns. Hi. 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 How are you? Who's a good boy? Oh my goodness. Hello. 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 Good boy. He is a good boy. He's a boy. Yeah. Hi. I'm Mr. Man. I'm over here. Nope. Okay. It's like, where did you go? You have to be able to follow. Now I'm back. He's looking. Are you on a lag? Are you using Internet Explorer? Is that what it is? Oh boy, his webpage is taking a long time to load. Solano has got like a GeoCities homepage. That's where, that's the friend of Yano. The Friends of Yano webpage is like one of those old school GeoCities websites that you would have seen like in 1998. One of your friends, your friends from like middle school or high school, like, I made a webpage, and they're like, you did? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's got like fireworks on it. That's pretty dope. I don't know if dope was a thing back in 1998. I don't know if I remember saying it in that term, that kind of context. Hey, that's dope. Where'd that originate? Saying that something is dope, but it meaning a good thing. Ren. Melissa says that she wants to take your food. Oh. I mean, Melissa says hi. Okay. All right. Well, good chat. Kev. 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 Hi. Oh, hello. Hello, Kev kitty. Hello, Kevy. Bye. Bye. Bobby. Hi. Brrr. Hello, baby girl. Yes. I go back into the... See, now this is okay. I don't know if that's blasting or gunshots. That actually may be like machinery. That actually may be like metal, like clang, like hitting. Like from that distance, that could be what it is. You gotta understand, like stuff that makes explodiness, stuff that's more exploding-y, it does have it tends to have more of a kind of like there's more of a shockwave kind of. That one seems more kind of like a broken and staccatoed sound. Telling you. What is it? It just keeps happening. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hey, pretty girl. It's Derek's Naya, that's Mama Shanti. Either that, or it literally could be if like if you have a load of something, like a load of wood or something, and like flat, and then you're like kind of plopping it onto a thing. If there's a heavy something, and then it's a poof, you could be machining it. I don't know. All right. I sat here for a little bit. I listened for a little bit. It sounds like metal. It sounds like metal hitting metal. It sounds like someone like hitting like thicker sheet metal with like a hammer or a pole, but like that's what it sounds like from a distance. Don't wait for it again. It's not happening. Oh, there it is. I keep talking over it, but then I feel hi, hey, that's the conundrum. That's the conundrum that I'm experiencing right now, because then I'm just like, I'm really curious. I want to get a good sound clip. I want to get a good audio clip. I want to get a good bit, because I want the detectives in the comment section to, piece it together. Like, what could it be? What kind of is it? A farmer? Is he mad? Is he mad that the Cleveland Browns lost, and he's just hitting the side of his barn with a hammer? That could be the case. What is it? What could it be? But if I just sit here at the edge, and I'm just like, wait for it, and then it doesn't happen. Well, we're just sitting here just looking at this field of cows. Well, that's not very compelling. It's not very compelling. So then I feel like I'm like, oh, you got to talk over it to make it, at least make it interesting. But then you're talking as the sounds are happening, which defeats the purpose. It just happened again. Oh no. All right. Right. This is just getting to be too much. Naya, what's happening? What do you think it is? I think it's a metal. Come on, one. There it is. Okay. Comments below. What do you think? Like I said, I think it's a metal thing hitting another metal thing. Probably some sort of like, it could be an agricultural implement. Meaning it's like something that's like supposed to be. Yeah. What could it be? What do you think it is? Go to the comment section below. That's the kind of fun types of stuff that we have here on the Walk Around the Compound webcast. So, without further ado, thank you for watching this episode of the Walk Around the Compound webcast. Hashtag Dorbist Award in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for all of your big cat goodness. And if you want to learn more about the facility around me, you can always visit the website TerrescueTexas.com for more information. You keep them tigers fed, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.
Oh, there's a cat that loves to squeak. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, there are cats with cute little feet. So there are cats, cat. Oh, there are cats with stripes, and there are cats with manes. So let's watch as Derek walks around the compound tonight.